Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it looks so good.
For a bit of do a garter's head as well.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, I don't know.
This one's put on a lot of growth from what it came out originally.
I can see how healthy it is. Son, can you see on the camera how
I'll clean it out and then.
it could have been 30 or 40 years in the ground in the field,